Innovation doesn't follow a path, it creates one. From our founding grounds in Belgium, where we still stand proud today, we've spent 70 years transforming automotive passion into innovative solutions that move the world, delivering excellence through every one of the 150 million liters flowing from our facilities in 2024. Our strength lies in the connections we've created, a living ecosystem where distributors, workshops and drivers unite across more than 130 countries. Through the expertise of mechanics, the entrepreneurial spirit of our partners, and the trust we've earned on racetracks and highways, we've become stronger together, building globally recognized brands that stand for quality. Powered by a motivated global team of over 30 nationalities, we unite diverse perspectives with shared purpose. As a close-knit family of experts, we tackle every challenge with unwavering confidence, knowing that true innovation comes from collaboration. While others follow, we pioneer, creating sustainable mobility solutions, actively shaping the next generation of automotive innovators, and redefining standards in an ever-moving industry. Because real progress isn't about keeping pace, it's about moving forward together. With decades of problem-solving in our DNA and a world of expertise at our fingertips, we face tomorrow with confidence. Our innovations flow through vehicles and machinery across every continent, but we're not finished. Because pioneers don't stop at success, they redefine it. As mobility evolves, so do we. Always one step ahead, always moving forward. Through our connected network of people, our commitment to excellence, and our entrepreneurial spirit, we're bridging today's expertise with tomorrow's opportunities, shaping the future in motion for 70 years. And we're just getting started.